So what if I told you guys that this funny frog mug has generated thousands of dollars in lifetime sales? Or how about this meme mug, which has also generated thousands of dollars in revenue? Guys, there is a ton of money to be made in all kinds of niches, but one of the most interesting side hustles I've ever stumbled across involves selling niche coffee mugs online. And that's because you can legitimately find thousands of successful coffee mug shops in all kinds of niches on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon. And guys, you know the craziest part? Most of these successful sellers never manufacture, ship, or even touch the coffee mugs that they're selling to people. And that's why I'm super excited, because in today's video, I'll be sharing exactly how you could launch one of these businesses for yourself. Now, this includes how to actually create these designs even if you have zero design experience. And I'll also be showing you how to create and sell these mugs using Printful, one of the world's leading print-on-demand companies. And most importantly, I'll also share some tips to actually scale your shop and get sales. This is definitely a niche video, but there's tons of secret sauce. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. So guys, a bit of a funny backstory, but I actually sold meme coffee mugs in the past on my own Etsy shop when I was a college student. Now this side hustle was a ton of fun, but I never got more than 2 sales, and I didn't really keep up with the shop because I was testing out so many other side hustle ideas at the time. But honestly guys, this is one of my biggest side hustle regrets, and I wish I had kept up with the shop because you can find so many examples of successful sellers making bank with niche coffee mugs. I mean, just take a look at this shop I found called Jen's Charming Designs. She's the seller behind that funny frog coffee mug, and her shop is full of fun, quirky, memeable coffee mugs with pretty simple designs. But here's the thing guys, Jen actually has over 2,100 sales on this Etsy shop. And at $19.99 per mug, that's over $39,000 in lifetime revenue, all by selling coffee mugs on Etsy. And guys, this is just one example of many, and it's one of the smaller examples. I mean, you can find coffee mug businesses out there on Etsy or Shopify that have done 6 figures and even 7 figures in lifetime sales. And again, the beauty of this business model is that for most of these sellers, they're not actually manufacturing, shipping, and handling the coffee mugs that they sell themselves. Instead, they work with companies like Printful that let you design and sell hundreds of popular products, including coffee mugs, and then ship your products to your customers for you when you make a sale. Now guys, Printful is super cool. I'll be linking them down below if you guys want to check them out, and also follow along with this video because I'll be using Printful to design some coffee mugs as well and show you guys how this side hustle actually works so you can start doing it yourself. And so guys, really the first step in launching some kind of niche coffee mug business is to actually pick the niche. And really this is the case with a lot of online businesses, because when it comes to niche selection, you want to pick something that has enough interest and enough market for you to actually find customers, but one that's not too popular and too saturated where it's ultra competitive. Now, when I tried selling coffee mugs years ago, I was able to get a couple of sales because I focused on niche internet humor and memes. And so I was able to get some traffic to marketplaces like Etsy because not too many sellers were making products for my niche. This tactic still works in 2026. And so again, it's important to actually begin this process with niche research so you actually pick an industry you kind of have a fighting chance in. And so my advice here is to basically pick a topic you're interested in and then go one level deeper into a sub niche within that main niche. For example, don't just start a coffee mug business about office humor. Start one that targets accountants and accounting jokes, or maybe one for nurses or some other kind of occupation you have some information about. I mean, in this example, you can see on Etsy, if I search for nurse coffee mug, there's some competition, but there's really not tons of sellers focusing on this niche, so it's way more beginner friendly. The same thing applies for your hobbies, and chances are if you're interested in something, other people are too. I mean, people are making coffee mugs about bird watching and they're getting sales, so you guys see what I mean. Again, guys, really the key takeaway here is to pick a niche where there is some demand, there are some sellers, and there's active sales on the marketplace, but it's not absolutely flooded and drowned out with too much competition. This is also why I recommend doing some market research, spend some time on Etsy, on Amazon, on Shopify, look around for sellers selling coffee mugs, get some inspiration from them, and find the perfect niche for your first coffee mug business. And so guys, for step 2, now that you have a niche in mind, it's time for you to actually start building your first designs that you're going to upload to Printful to start selling coffee mugs. And really here for the design process, you have a couple of options. And guys, don't worry if you don't have any design experience, you can absolutely try this even if you're a beginner who has never sold anything online before. And really the first option, and what I do for the new print-on-demand businesses I'm testing out, is to use AI tools to actually create the design assets for you. And this is by far the easiest and most beginner beginner-friendly route, and it's also acceptable to do on marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon, as long as you're creating unique designs and you're not just uploading AI slop. And let me show you guys my workflow just to highlight how easy this is and how perfect it is for beginners. So let's say I want to make a coffee mug that's similar to this funny bird watching mug I found on Etsy. All I have to do is download the image, take it and post it to an AI tool like Skywork, and tell Skywork to create a slightly similar image in the same style, but to make it unique. In a minute or two, Skywork will genuinely spit out a pretty stellar design that's inspired by the original reference image, but it's actually unique and it's acceptable on a marketplace like Etsy and Amazon. Now, is this a bit sneaky? Is this using AI in a kind of funny way? Yes, but honestly, this is also the nature of e-commerce in 2026. And again, what I like about this workflow is it only takes a few minutes, it's super scalable, and it is super beginner friendly. And you can use Skywork, but there are so many other AI tools out there that can basically do the same thing. Now, for your second option, that would be to actually design your own assets in something like Photoshop or Canva. And this one really isn't much harder. And if you look on Canva, there's also tons of pre-existing coffee mug templates and designs you can use. So again, you can basically make a ready to publish design for your first mug in a matter of minutes. Now, as a third option, you could also hire a designer on Fiverr or some other kind of freelancer marketplace to make these assets for you. I've done this before, and I actually had some side hustle merchandise made for some t-shirts I started to sell and experiment with. So again, I've tried that route. It's not my favorite anymore because I think AI tools and Canva are better, but you certainly have plenty of options. But anyways, once you have your first design, it's time to actually create your coffee mug and get your shop listed so you can begin selling. And so guys, for the third step, we're actually going to create an account with Printful so we can actually begin designing some coffee mugs that we want to sell. And so all you have to do is head over to printful.com and create an account for free with your email. Like I said, I'll be linking Printful down below in the description box and the pinned comment if you want to check them out. And guys, you can sign up in like 30 seconds. Now, once you sign up, you can actually begin creating products right on Printful, and there are hundreds of products you can make and sell. For example, Printful lets you design all kinds of things, including t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, hats, posters, backpacks, and of course, a bunch of different kinds of coffee mugs. Now for this one, we're gonna keep things simple and go with the basic $5.99 coffee mug that Printful has as one of the products you can create and sell. You can see there's more premium latte mugs or enamel mugs, there's even a travel mug, but we're really gonna keep things simple for this test. Now, once you pick the product you actually want to sell, designing it is a piece of cake. And so guys, for step 4, we're gonna actually apply the design we just made to our first Printful coffee mug. And so inside of Printful, you'll see the coffee mug you want to design as well as a create product template button. Now, if you click this button, it will bring you to Printful's design tool where you can upload the design you just made and play around with it so it looks exactly how you want. And guys, this is literally like a 30-second process. For example, I can take one of the images I generated with Skywork, upload it to my new coffee mug, and then see exactly how the mug will look in the live preview tool. And this is really helpful since you know where the center of your mug is, and it's easy to drag and position your image so it's exactly where you want. And so guys, really in a matter of minutes, I can basically find a mug on Etsy I think will sell well, create a similar design with Skywork, upload it to Printful, and get my first coffee mug ready to sell. And what's also nice is that Printful's design tool has a bunch of other features to kind of help you out with the design process. For example, you can add clip art to your coffee mugs, you can search for quick design elements to add, you can even search for vector images and stock images to use as well. And of course, you can add text, you can change fonts, and you can add different colors, patterns, and layers to your designs. Now, what's also cool is that Printful lets you make numerous sizes of the same design all at the same time. For example, for coffee mugs, you can see there's an 11-ounce design, but I can also make a 15-ounce and 20-ounce design too. And I just have to tweak the design a little bit for each size to make sure the imaging is just right. Anyways, once you're happy with your design, you can also check out the mockups tab to again see how it would kind of look like in real life. And what's also really nice is you can use these mockup images when you list your first mugs for sale on your new online shop, which I'm going to explain how to do right now. And so guys, for step 5, we're actually going to launch our first coffee mug shop and business. I would probably suggest creating a few designs first, but you can also launch with just one coffee mug. Don't let this process slow you down. It's really exciting to go live, so I recommend just getting your products out there. But at this stage, you might be wondering, where should you even sell coffee mugs online? And the answer sort of depends on your goals and your skills, and I'm going to explain a little bit more about that in this video. But thankfully, Printful integrates with so many different e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, so you have plenty of choices. For example, Printful can integrate in just a couple of clicks with marketplaces like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Wix, eBay, and tons of other platforms. But when it comes to selling niche coffee mugs online, especially as a beginner, my recommendation is to always start with something like Etsy. And really there's a few reasons for this, but the main reason is that Etsy is actually a marketplace that has millions of active buyers, and so it already has an audience of people who are looking for things like gifts or funny coffee mugs, so they can stumble across your business and kind of just become organic customers that you didn't have to start marketing to find. Etsy also has a low startup fee of $15 to $29 depending on where you live, and it only costs 20 cents in listing fees for each item you list to your shop. So it's very low risk to try out. And again, with Etsy, what I love is that if you pick a lower competition niche, like I mentioned, people can find you organically, they can stumble across your listings. This is how I've gotten sales in the past for my niche coffee mug business. And again, it is super beginner friendly. Now, if Etsy isn't your thing and you want some more control over the design and look and feel of your shop, you could try something like Shopify. Shopify gives you way more control over the look and feel of your brand. And right now, Shopify actually has a $1 trial for your first 3 months. So again, it's super easy to start up, and I'll be linking Shopify down below as well if you want to take advantage of that promo pricing. Now, the downside of the Shopify route is it's not a marketplace. So again, you're going to have to do a lot more marketing and work yourself to actually attract customers than if you sold on something like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. There's really no right or wrong answer here, but what's nice about Printful is, again, it integrates with all of these different platforms, so you can play around a little bit, you can list on different marketplaces and platforms and see what works best for you and your business. But anyways, guys, now I want to cover how people actually begin scaling coffee mug businesses, because it's one thing to create a few designs and list them, but this is a side hustle channel. We talk about making money online, and so the goal is, of course, to get some sales. And really, again, my advice is to make at least 15 to 20 designs, start populating your store, and get in the habit of using Printful and publishing coffee mugs regularly to your online shop. Once you've done that, there are a few tips I want to share really quickly to actually help you attract your first customer so you can begin getting sales. And really the first tip is to just be consistent and to keep testing and posting designs. I know I just mentioned this, but what you'll find with print on demand is that some designs might take off, some might get traffic, and some might post and get absolutely zero traffic and visibility at all. And so it's important to keep on testing ideas so you learn what works within your sub niches. Now, my second tip would be to actually begin promoting your shop on social media. You can create an Instagram account for your new coffee mug business and do the same on Pinterest. Post the mock-up images from Printful on these accounts and try to attract some extra traffic to your shop from these platforms. You can also order samples of your own products from Printful and take your own photos or create videos for your content you use to advertise. Again, selling on something like Etsy is sweet when you get organic traffic to your listings, but you don't have to just rely on Etsy. You can do external promotion as well. And I think Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for this. And finally, my third tip would be to start spying on top sellers in your niche or similar niches. And this is again why I love Etsy and Amazon, because you can do some basic keyword research in your niche. You can look for what's ranking, see what top sellers are creating, and get some inspiration from them and use similar designs or similar concepts to hopefully get some sales as well. But again, guys, the real main takeaway here is that you have to be consistent for print on demand to turn into a decent side hustle. Unless you go super viral somehow, you're not just gonna post one product or a couple of products and magically get sales overnight. This is a legit business model. I think it's super cool and super exciting, but you have to be consistent. So my recommendation is to post a new product at least every few days or every week or so, just so you get in the habit and you start beefing up your store a little bit. But okay, guys, what are the pros and cons of this side hustle, and why would you potentially start selling coffee mugs online, and why should you maybe skip this side hustle? Well, really the first pro and why I love this idea is that it's very hands-off just due to the nature of Printful and print on demand in general. Again, you're not manufacturing anything, you're not shipping, you're not dealing with logistical headaches. You are focusing on designs and marketing your shops and just having fun and building cool products. Now, the second pro is that the margins can also be pretty decent. When you make a sale with your print on demand business, you will pay Printful to basically manufacture and fulfill that order to your customer. But you can set your own prices, and so whatever you charge the customer and that difference between what Printful is costing is your profit margin. And in print on demand, the margins can be pretty healthy. Now, the third pro is that this can also become a kind of semi-passive or more outsourceable business once you get your shop up and running. I actually have some friends who run numerous print on demand businesses, and they have successful Etsy shops that they haven't uploaded to in 6 months. They built up a catalog of products, it ranked over time, they got sales over the last couple of years, and it's kind of been a set and forget business for them that they check up on occasionally. And as for the fourth pro, it's also one that I love. It's that print on demand is super globally friendly. I cover a lot of money making apps on this channel, and I know that some of them are only available in North America or in Europe, but print on demand is truly globally friendly. friendly, which is why I love covering it on this channel. Now, as for the cons, the first would be that print on demand has no guarantees. There are no guaranteed paychecks. You are not guaranteed to get sales. It is an online business. So again, you have to work hard and you have to be consistent if you want to make it. And this kind of relates to the second con, and this isn't unique to Printful. It's just the nature of selling stuff online in general, but it takes time for your products to rank. It takes time for you to grow brand awareness. And so it's very unlikely that you'll get your first customers overnight. This doesn't mean this business model isn't worth pursuing, but again, it's important to have realistic expectations. Results aren't guaranteed, but I do think print on demand is honestly such an exciting and cool opportunity, and it's something anyone can try. But anyways, guys, that does it for this guide on how you can begin selling your own niche coffee mugs online and launch your own online business. Again, I love print on demand. I love how hands-off it is. It's globally friendly, and it's also more beginner friendly these days because of how easy AI tools have made it to actually design cool products. Honestly, anyone can give a company like Printful a try, and like I said, I'll be linking them down below in the description box and pinned comment if you want to sign up for Printful and help support the channel. I hope this one has been exciting, guys, and you can also let me know down in the comments, are you going to launch a print on demand business? Is this something you've done before? Let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.